Get 2.37 acres. 2 bathrooms, one on each end. 2 bedrooms. This one has been updated. It's not the original, even though it's only had one owner. Boy, is it pretty. We had a little bit of snow. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas. You and I are heading out to B Road to look at a country property with a couple acres. When you live in town, there's some benefits. Walking to the corner store, have a neighborhood. But when you're in the country, the stars are a lot brighter at night. You don't have a neighbor, except the wildlife. There are more farms than houses. There's no neighborhood. There's just woods and farm fields. Almost there. We're looking for 661 B Road. Out on the main road, this is what you're looking at. Trees. You're just far enough from town without being in the boonies. This curtain of trees helps the privacy factor too. Pretty, isn't it? You and I are at 661 B Road. Hello, home buyers out in the audience. The first chapter in the I Want to Buy a Home book is financing. You gotta have financing, or maybe you're coming in a direction where you sold, have a pocket of cash, and you don't need a mortgage. But most of us have to get financing. Here's a list of the local banks to reach out to. Local financing, local title work. Everything local works a lot better and will help coordinate it for you. This one is long. One owner. Tucked away. What would you use this oversized garage shop for? What are your hobbies? There's also more storage space, or for animals. Concrete floor. This is way bigger than an average garage. See the wood stove? You can have some parties out here too. This is the man cave. This can be turned into your she shed or granny flat. Just used for storage now, but it means everything doesn't get dumped into the house. There's a ramp, an outside deck. This is 16 by 8 for an entry. Get 2.37 acres. 2 bathrooms, one on each end. 2 bedrooms. This one has been updated. It's not the original, even though it's only had one owner. There's a Harmon pellet stove. There's a GE dishwasher, a Whirlpool refrigerator, Samsung stove. They're all Darth Vader black, and they stay in this sale. Extra large living space. It used to be a 3-bedroom. They opened it up. You can close it back in. New laminate floors. Your dining area opens into your living area. There are sliding glass doors to a big pressure-treated deck. The beefed up, insulated tilt-in type windows. This was better built. This is a single-wide modular. It's not a trailer. If the living room is way bigger than you need, shorten it up. Put the 3rd bedroom back in. You're heated with an efficient Miller hot air furnace. Here's your laundry washer hookups. Off your laundry, bedroom number 1 with its own master bath. 1 major walk-in closet. That's the way to make them. Cathedral ceilings. This would be bedroom number 1. Beautiful vanity. That is not the original one. There's a skylight, metal roof. The place is vinyl sided. See the storage cabinet? Hide your linens, your vacuum cleaner, your hamper. Everything can go in here. Follow me. We're heading down to the other end for total privacy, to the other bedroom and bath. Bang a left, here's your bath. More cathedral ceiling, skylight, tub and shower in this one too. They did some work on this place. Bedroom number 2. Used more for storage now that the family grew up. There's a closet, oversized windows. What do you think so far of this country home? There you have it, 661 B Road. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. If you want to know more about the 2.37 acres of land, the big 24 by 20 garage shop, the little she shed that you saw earlier, anything about financing the area, hit us up. Let's connect. Let's talk. Please like this video. Please look down below for more details. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And for those that have been loyal, faithful members of our YouTube channel, thank you very much. 76 by 14, the size of this single wide modular. That shed is 50 by 12. The well house is covering your drilled well. 20 by 13, the size of your front deck. Here's your rear handicap access ramp.